Signs you are becoming less likable as a person as per psychology. The very first point is that you dominate conversations. Well, if you constantly stir discussions towards yourself, interrupt others, or fail to listen actively, people may start avoiding conversations with you. So please stop giving yourself so much importance. Don't interrupt others when they're speaking and listen to them. Show interest in them. This will make you likable instantly. Second, you complain too much. Oh my god, I have so much of work to do. Oh my god, my life is so hectic. I can't like this. I don't tolerate that. Well, negativity can be draining. And if you're always pointing out problems without offering solutions, people might start distancing themselves to protect their own emotional energy. So try sounding fun, try sounding more positive. You will surely attract people. Third, you rarely show empathy. If you dismiss other people's feelings, invalidate their experiences, or fail to support what is needed, you might be perceived as cold or self-centered. So keep your views and self-obsession on side and start showing interest in others. This is going to make you more likable. Fourth, you're always trying to one-up others. Constantly topping someone else's story or success makes you seem competitive rather than supporting, which can turn people off. Fifth, you are unreliable or inconsistent. If you frequently cancel plans, you don't keep promises, or behave unpredictably, people may stop relying on you or inviting you in their lives. So don't make plans until and unless you are sure. And if you do, try keeping up your promises. Well, promises are not meant to be broken. Sixth, you overuse sarcasm and insults. While it's good to joke around with your friends and family, while sarcasm can be playful, but excessive or mean-spirited remarks make you seem rude and insensitive, even if unintended. So be mindful while you joke around. Seventh, you seek attention constantly. Even if you always need validation, make everything about yourself or create a drama for attention. People may grow weary of your presence. So if you have something in you, you will automatically get attention. You don't have to do drama to get one. Eighth, you struggle to accept criticism. If you react defensively to feedback or never acknowledge your mistakes, people may feel they can't have open or honest conversations with you. So don't take everything personally or to your heart. Criticism sometimes help you improve yourself. Last, ninth, you rarely show gratitude. Taking people for granted, failing to acknowledge their efforts, or rarely saying thank you can make others feel unappreciated, pushing them away. So please do make this little effort and smile and say thank you, or you're very kind, or you made my day and things like that. Well, I'm sure if you follow these simple things in your life, it is definitely going to make you likable. This was all about gestures and behavior. Do keep watching my channel and learn much more about human psychology. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And if you have anything to say, please do leave your comments in the comment section below.